Welcome back, everybody. Okay, now we have our two views set up. We have our detailed view set up, and we have our main view set up. Now we have to work on sending data from the view, or from our main view, over to our detailed view. There's two ways to get from this view to this view. We can use the add button, and that would be as the add segue. And we could use the cell, and that would be the edit segue. What we need to do first is get ready to accept the data on the details side. So before we can send stuff over here, we have to get ready to accept it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back into the code. I'm going to go into this editor. We're going to go here now. What do we need in the add and edit view controller in terms of data? Well, number one, we need the to-do. And I'm going to make that to-do of type to-do, but I'm going to make it optional. Why am I making this optional? Well, because for an add to do, I'm not going to be sending it to do because I'm going to build it. I'm going to build it on this side. For an edit to do, I'm going to send over the one that we've already have in the main view controller. So, sometimes I'll send a to-do and sometimes I won't, and that's a perfect example of what an optional is used for. Next, I'll send the index of the to-do. This one will be an int, just like any index, but it'll also be optional. Why is it optional? Well, again, if we're doing an add, we don't have an index yet. But if we're doing an edit, we're going to be editing a specific to-do that's inside this array. So not only do I need the to-do, but I also need the index of the to-do inside the array. So just to recap, in order to prepare for my segues, I need the to-do in the case of edit, and I need the index of the to-do in case of the edit also. So those two things put together now get us ready to move data from one side to another. So in the next video, we'll go back to the view controller and write the code required to handle the segue.